technology, design, automation, solution. 35 plus years of expertise, 5,000 plus square feet area, 1 million plus products designed, 500,000 meters plus conveyors and installations, 1,000 plus railways and automobile components developed, capacity of delivering 150 plus projects in a year, automations, material handling systems, machine components, Saifi Con-Fab systems. Time is the most expensive and powerful asset. Since the human race has evolved, we have designed solutions to make a life simpler, easier, and better. In today's time, where the world is picking up pace with Industry 4.0, new technologies and automation systems are leading to profitable outputs. Saifi Con has established itself as a benchmark in bringing solutions to material handling, auto parts manufacturing, and automation technology. Saifi Con-Fab Systems is a one-stop destination for providing plant and warehouse automation, OEM and assisted manufacturing solutions. A team of dedicated engineers, technically sound professionals, and visionary leadership has poised Saifi towards solutions that are steadfast and customizable.
सैफी कॉन-फैब की शुरुआत 1987 में हुई थी, जब इंडियन इकोनॉमी और इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन ग्रोथ पर था और भारत को इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में अपनी पहचान बनाने के लिए ऑटोमेशन टेक्नोलॉजी की ज़रूरत थी। पिछले वर्षों में हमने कई तरह के कन्वेयर सिस्टम्स, मशीन एंड ऑटोमोबाइल कंपोनेंट्स बनाए हैं, जिन्हें क्लाइंट की रिक्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग कस्टमाइज़ किया गया। हमारा उद्देश्य ग्लोबल इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन को गति देने के लिए एडवांस ऑटोमेशन सिस्टम, मशीन कंपोनेंट्स एंड मटेरियल हैंडलिंग टेक्नोलॉजीज़ को डेवलप करना है।
With state-of-the-art infrastructure, bulk manufacturing capability, and utilization of the latest production techniques, Saifi is one of the premium suppliers in the industry, delivering quality products with ultimate speed, accuracy, precision, and efficiency. Saifi strongly engages research and development capabilities, global sales and services network, customized solution planning, manufacturing system, whole process quality monitoring, and customer services to meet international standards. Manufacturing high-quality conveyors including floor, overhead and telescopic conveyors, Saifi has been providing the conveyor solutions for years. Also entered into manufacturing of automobile and sheet metal components and has been doing so since the last decade. Saifi manufactures railway components, auto parts, engine parts, chassis parts and heavy fabrications with high precision and quality check.
Saifi Con-Fab system has a vision, a legacy and a mission to develop customized solutions for automation, machinery and material handling. We at Saifi manufactures machine components, conveyor systems and provide warehouse automation solutions. We are currently serving automobile, FMCG, e-commerce, courier and logistic companies that also includes food, dairy, pharma and many more industrial segments. Our key strength lies in building customized high-quality machine components or automation solutions. With advancement in technologies, we are coming up with world-class solutions for industries and warehouses.
Railway components including BMPS disc brake, FIBA brake, EMCBS, air spring, AA RH coupler, sheet metal parts such as BTR, hitch assembly and automotive engine parts like double and single group pulleys with dynamic balancing and engine mounting brackets are customized and manufactured by Saifi for various Indian and multinational brands. Saifi Con-Fab Systems has contributed to the esteemed industrial names as OEM or OCM and is ready to bring more customizable solutions to the manual industrial systems and manufacturing processes. Saifi also offers to manufacture hinge assemblies, lambda assemblies, heavy structure steel, signage boards, and other high-quality heavy fabrication products for its clients. Saifi Con-Fab Systems aims towards the future, where the future is meeting the challenging requirements and deadlines. Where the future is manufacturing high-quality products with extreme accuracy. Where the future is automation. And where the future is automation technology.